Are you free today? Yes, I am free today. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7. Do you drink coffee? Yes, I drink coffee. Are you ready to go? Yes, I am ready. Where are you going? I am going to work. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I am feeling good. What are you doing now? I am studying English. Do you like this place? Yes, I like this place. Are you hungry now? Yes, I am hungry now. What do you want to eat? I want to eat pasta. Do you have any plans? Yes, I have a plan. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Do you like listening to music? Yes, I like listening to music. What do you do every morning? I drink coffee every morning. Are you at home now? Yes, I am at home now. Do you use English daily? Yes, I use English daily. Do you live nearby? Yes, I live nearby. How do you go to work? I go by bus. Are you learning English? Yes, I am learning English. Do you enjoy this lesson? Yes, I enjoy this lesson. Practice these sentences every day. If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next English conversation lesson.